Hello everyone. So in this session, we will learn how to create a validation in SAP. So validation can be created in different modules like cost accounting, asset accounting, financial accounting, or project system module. So in this session, we will see how to create a validation in financial accounting module. So for example, here validation rule is there. If transaction code is FB50, then system should display error message that document type must be SA. If user uses any other document type other than SA. So let's see how we will define the validation rule for this scenario. So you need to go to GGB0 transaction code. So the screen opens like this. So the most important point, so validation can be created at three levels. First is document header level, second is line item level, and third is complete document. So complete document means at header level also and at line item level also. So because you know that financial document has two parts, one is header and other is line item. So press continue. Here you need to give your validation name and his name and that code, some digit, some alphabetical. Okay. So after pressing that cursor on that folder, you need to click on step. Then here another important point is in a validation, there are three parts. One is prerequisite, second is check, and another is message. So click first you need to create a prerequisite. Double click on system fields. Next step, ABAP system fields, you need to double click here. Then double click on transaction code. Then here click on equal. Then click on constant. And then give as FD50 because you know that prerequisite is a FD50 because whenever user will go to FD50, then it takes any other document type, then it should give error. Okay, so prerequisite is FD50 transaction. That's why we kept. So in check, go to check. Double click on header because document type is a header line item. Sorry, document type is a header item. That's why we click here header. Click here document type because this will get in header only, not in line item because it is a header. Then click on equal. Then click on constant. Then here give essay as a document type. Then in message you need to click here. So message can be either cancel, you can set or error or warning or information. If you want that it should allow to post the transaction, then you need to select warning on information, then it will allow to post. But you want that system should not allow to post the transaction, then you need to select either error or cancel. So if in case of cancel, system will come out of SAP transactions. Okay. So here we will select error. Here we selected error, then here from here we can define our own messages here. Okay, so here we can define our own message. So own message class, these message class can be created by ABAP also. Okay, so here we select message number E122, this one. Here we defined our own message for transaction code FB50, document type must be SA. Okay, 122 number you can see. So here we will select that number one. Click here, save. Then next step, we need to go to OB28 transaction for activating the validation which we created. So we created this file PI, okay. So we will, against our company code, we will assign this. and we will activate this. So call point is in our case header. So we will select call point as header 1. Activation level, we need to select 1 because 1 is active. Other is 0 is inactive. Okay. So here we will select active. Then we will save the request. Then go to FB50 transaction. And in FB50, we will select any other document type so that it gives error. Okay. So here, for example, user selected other than SA, AB document type you can see here. So system is giving the error message for transaction code FB50 document type must be SA. Okay. So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel so that you get any video I upload, you will get the information on time. Thanks.